In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use goals in Monarch Money. This is a fantastic feature that can help you organize and keep track of your financial goals effectively. Let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, you'll want to log into your Monarch Money account. Once you're logged in, head to the Goals section. This is where the magic happens. You may find it on your dashboard. Goals are an essential part of your financial planning journey, as they allow you to set objectives and track your progress toward achieving them. Next, you'll want to create a new goal. This option should be clearly visible in the Goals section. By creating specific savings goals, you're setting yourself up for success and ensuring your financial planning aligns with your life's aspirations. Once you've clicked to create a new goal, you'll need to enter some details about it. This is where you can be specific and intentional. A goal could be anything from building an emergency fund, planning a dream vacation, or even paying off debt. You decide what's most important and relevant to you. Make sure to choose a name that clearly represents this goal. After naming your goal, the next important step is to set a target amount. This is the total amount of money you wish to save or accumulate for this particular goal. Whether your target is modest or ambitious, having a concrete number makes the goal tangible and gives you a clear endpoint to aim for. Once you've determined a target amount, you must set a target date. This date will act as your timeline for achieving the goal. It's important to choose a realistic time frame. Too soon and you might find yourself struggling, too far and you might lose motivation. Now it's time to select the funding account. This could be a bank or savings account you intend to use for meeting your goal. Defining where the funds will come from is key to ensuring that you're drawing from the correct resources and keeping your finances organized. The next step is to decide how much you'll contribute regularly toward your goal. Whether it's a small sum from each paycheck or a larger monthly contribution, consistency is key. Contributing regularly will ensure steady progress toward your target. You also have the option to set a contribution schedule, choosing between weekly, monthly, or a custom option that best fits your financial situation. Aligning the schedule with your income or budget cycle can help make saving feel less burdensome. Finally, after setting all these parameters, don't forget to save your goal. Saving will lock everything in and make it official on the platform. Once saved, you can begin monitoring your progress. Monarch Money allows you to track contributions, see how close you are to reaching your goal, and adjust contributions if needed. You might find halfway through that you need to increase contributions or extend the timeline, and that's okay. Each of these steps in using goals effectively can pave your path toward financial success. So take a moment to envision your goals and leverage Monarch Money to bring them to life.